Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable tips and strategies for financial success. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to make $200 daily with ChatGPT. I'm your host, and let's dive right in. Method number 1: sell your stuff on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Many of us are looking for ways to increase our income and improve our financial situation. With the help of ChatGPT, an AI-powered language model, you can explore various methods to make $200 daily. So, let's get started. One of the quickest and easiest ways to make $200 in a day is by selling your unused items on popular online platforms like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Look around your house for items of value that you no longer need, such as electronics, furniture, or clothing. Listing them for sale can help you generate fast cash. Method number 2: find an hourly or day labor gig. If you're open to physical work, consider finding hourly or day labor gigs. Websites like Craigslist and TaskRabbit offer opportunities for various tasks like moving, yard maintenance, or assembling furniture. You can earn money by trading your time and effort for a fair hourly rate. Method number 3: utilize online opportunities. The internet provides a plethora of options to make $200 daily. Let's explore a few popular methods. Start by utilizing cashback apps like Ibotta. When you shop at partner retailers through the app, you can earn a percentage of your spending back as cash or gift cards. Signing up for Ibotta can even get you a free $20 welcome bonus. If you possess certain skills like writing, graphic design, or virtual assistance, consider freelancing. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. You can set your own rates and work on projects that match your expertise. Another option is to participate in online surveys or micro-tasks. Platforms like SurveyJunkie allow you to earn cash by sharing your opinions and completing simple online tasks. While you may not make $200 in a day, these activities can supplement your income over time. Method number 4: combine multiple methods. Remember, you don't have to limit yourself to a single method. By combining different strategies that align with your skills and interests, you can maximize your earning potential. Be creative and explore various avenues to reach your goal of making $200 daily. Making $200 daily is within reach, thanks to the opportunities provided by ChatGPT. Whether you choose to sell items, take on labor gigs, or explore online platforms, remember that consistency and dedication are key to achieving your financial goals. That's all for today's video on how to make $200 daily with ChatGPT. We hope you found these strategies helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for financial success.